Hello, everybody. Here is hoping that everybody has a wonderful new year. This coming year is going to be so incredible for all of us. Every single one of us has wonderful, loving memories to enjoy and partake in different celebrations throughout the year. And we are all going to have such wonderful times in this 2024. I am so looking forward to walking, jogging, even biking the Run the Edge challenge, which is going to be me doing 2,024 miles in 2024 in a combination of those three things. And so I'm really looking forward to continuing with my health journey and getting stronger and better every single day. Hey, it's all about my channel, right? One day better, and we are all gonna get one day better every day. When you put your faith and your positive mental attitude into whatever it is that you want to accomplish, then it will happen. You just have to take yourself seriously, and you have to make sure that you are number one in everything that you do and everything that you want. So go out there, do wonderful things, touch people's lives, and make a difference in the world. Today I did a 4-mile walk, and then I'll add a couple other things in the clip which were kind of strange, or just a wild situation, and I'm just gonna add that to the video because it was just very interesting to see, and certainly not a everyday occurrence. So I love you all so much and look forward to all of us getting one day better in the coming year. They're coming along even further now. There's certain ones that are really popping up. Like that red tatsui, kale, basil, cherry tomatoes. They're coming around. I think that's green. Yep. Red mustard. So there's a bunch of them. They're still coming up. Very exciting to see it growing.